In a heartfelt announcement, Indian spinner Ravichandran Ashwin has retired from all forms of international cricket at 38. Known for his strategic bowling and crucial contributions, Ashwin leaves a legacy with over 500 test wickets, paving the way for younger talents in the team. Ravichandran Ashwin has announced his retirement from international cricket, surprising fans. Despite being India's top spinner, he felt sidelined by new management decisions. Ashwin's performance and lack of support during the recent Australia series contributed to his decision to step away from the game. Mitchell Starc aims to dismiss Yashasvi Jaiswal early in the ongoing Test series against Australia, following the batter's sledging. Jaiswal, who scored 161 in the opener, has struggled against Starc, prompting warnings from former player Sunil Gavaskar to focus solely on his game. Travis Head has showcased exceptional form in the Border Gavaskar Trophy, earning two Player of the Match awards. He scored 140 and 152 runs in 2 games, amassing 409 runs overall. Experts suggest India must strategize effectively to counter his impressive performance. As Ashwin retires from international cricket, all eyes are on Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma during their last tour of Australia. Both batters seek to end on a high, with the Melbourne and Sydney pitches favouring run-scoring opportunities. Indian spinner Ravichandran Ashwin has officially retired from international cricket following the 3rd Test against Australia. He leaves behind a remarkable legacy with 765 international wickets. Ashwin plans to continue his career with Chennai Super Kings in the IPL 2025. Sunil Gavaskar has named India as favourites for the 4th Test of the Border Gavaskar Trophy following a rain-affected draw in the 3rd match. He praised the lower order's resilience and believes India has shifted the momentum ahead of the Melbourne Test. Rishabh Pant has been underwhelming in the ongoing BGT series, contributing to India's low scores. With the series tied 1-1, experts like Sunil Gavaskar urge him to adopt a more cautious approach to improve his game in upcoming matches. Yashasvi Jaiswal scored 161 runs in the 2nd innings against Australia, but his overall performance has been inconsistent. Sunil Gavaskar suggests he seek guidance from legends like Sachin Tendulkar and Rahul Dravid as he prepares for upcoming tests in Melbourne and Sydney. India's captain Rohit Sharma honoured Ravichandran Ashwin after the 3rd Test against Australia. While discussing Ashwin, he mistakenly mentioned Ajinkya Rahane and Cheteshwar Pujara, clarifying they haven't retired yet. Both players have faced challenges recently in their performances.